Let me begin with day to night. We're going to start off with Supreme Court hearing the Waqf laws. Several petitions that were all clubbed. Supreme Court gave interim relief that none of the Waqf properties will be denotified for the moment. Of course, a host of other issues that were debated. And then in our deep dive segment, we're taking you through the ideal retirement plan. If you wish to retire post 45, what's the corpus you need to have? And finally, our viral watch, where a protest that panned out by Students' Union in Delhi, who went on to paste cow dung at the principal of a DU college. A lot more on that. The headlines as always. Waqf Showdown in the Supreme Court. Solicitor General defends the Waqf amendment. The Apex Court fires tough questions at the centre as well. But for now, relief is no Waqf property will be denotified. West Bengal State BJP President Sukanta Majumdar sits on dharna with Murshidabad violence victims. In fact, he's protested extensively outside the Bhavan, claiming call for violence was given through masjid loudspeakers and questions the government's silence. Amid language controversy, Tamil Nadu government issues advisory reiterating the use of Tamil language as the official language in all government departments henceforth. Tragic incident from Bengaluru. An auto driver was crushed to death after a metro, a huge concrete brick that was supposed to be placed at the airport metro line fell off while it was being taken on a truck. In fact, an 18-wheeler truck that was carrying that brick fell off while on the way and fell into an auto. The man died. The driver, of course, passed away, with the passenger having a narrow escape. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta orders an inquiry into alleged school fee hike. She summoned some concerned schools in Delhi. That includes DPS as well as Queen Mary. In fact, parents have sought her help in trying to ease their pain, saying there's been arbitrary 80% and above fee hike in the last few years. Pakistani national kills 2 Telangana workers with a sword at a Dubai bakery. Reportedly shouted some religious slogans before the attack, and here you have families who are urging the Indian government for aid and immediate repatriation. And big relief for Kunal Kamra. The Bombay High Court grants interim protection from arrest to the comedian in the traitor joke case. US Vice President J.D. Vance and wife Usha Vance to be visiting India next week, meeting with the Prime Minister on agenda. In fact, Donald Trump, the President of the United States, announces that he's willing to pay for tickets to all those immigrants or people from outside of the United States to leave America, saying those who do not have documents and are here illegally, leave now, I will pay for your ticket.